This report provides a detailed analysis concerning the stability, profits and cash flow of our new company Chilk during its first year of activity. The production line is divided into two departments, mixing and bottling packaging. According to the income statement, the company performed well.
Chilk is a chocolate milk company based in Boston. It was founded by 4 AUBG students.
There are two interesting facts about chocolate milk that can surprise some out there. Firstly, unlike many popular beliefs on the web, chocolate milk is not produced by brown cows. Secondly, chocolate milk does not develop obesity unless taken in enormous quantities.
The main ingredients needed for producing choco milk are low-fat milk, sugar, cocoa powder.
The first section, Bill of Materials, deals with finding the direct material cost per unit. The prices included in the Bill of Materials are actual prices found in reliable sources. The initial cost for 1 unit of product, which is a 500 milliliter bottle of chocolate milk, is 58 cents.
The production starts with milk processing and cocoa processing to the production unit. Then the two ingredients are mixed. Afterwards they are sent for bottling and packaging.
After precise calculations, we estimated to have $23,232 of overheads, for which we get that the predetermined overhead rate is 8 cents per unit.
Taking into account the direct materials we used, direct labor and the overhead rate per unit, we calculated that the total cost per unit are 67 cents.
Our company is going to distribute the product around the state of Massachusetts in the beginning, and may spread the distribution further if the project is profitable. We decided to use wholesalers, because the wholesalers and resellers are going to add the mark to the price. We decided to sell our product to the wholesalers for 90 cents per unit.
All in all, in the first year of production, Chilk has managed to be very profitable, with profits up to $242,304. Our company is on the right path. Moreover, the processes of production and finding materials and labor have resulted to be quite easy. The raw materials are easy to find in the market, and the new technology enables us with fewer and more efficient machines.
However, there are other scenarios which would help us be more successful and profitable, and others we need to avoid so that we do not encounter losses. Case 1. Finding cheaper raw materials. Option 1. Keep the same prices. In this case, our profits will increase because we are selling at the same price with cut costs. Our advantage is higher profits, and disadvantage is cheaper costs can lead to a lower quality product. Result: continue producing as long as the quality of the product and loyalty of consumers is not jeopardized.
Option 2. Reduce the price by the same amount that we cut costs. If we cut the selling price per unit by the same amount we reduced costs per unit, our new profit will decrease compared to the initial profit. The new price per unit would be 88 cents. Advantage: lower costs. Disadvantage: lower profit. Result: do not implement suggestion.
Case 2. Using more expensive raw materials to increase the quality of our product. If we use high-quality milk, 3 cents more expensive than the current milk, and we assume that the new price for the product should be 5 cents more expensive, then we estimated that the demand will fall by 3%. Advantage: higher profit. Disadvantage: if we increase the price too much, the decreasing demand percentage will be higher, causing lower profits.
Case 3. Increase price per unit without changing costs. Because our company has been in the market for a year and has established itself as a reliable and recognizable brand, we can try to maximize profits by increasing the price per unit from 90 cents to 95 cents without changing the costs of production. Advantage: profit maximization. Disadvantage: although this suggestion may seem very profitable in theory, economics teach us that practically if the price of the product will increase, the demand for this product will decrease. By how much? This depends on the elasticity of demand and supply for the product. To sum it all up, comparing the different scenarios and their hypothetical results, the safest and most profitable way to increase the profit is to find cheaper resources and continue selling at the same price. Regarding the last suggestion above, although the profits would be maximized, this maximization would be rather theoretical than practical.
We estimated the number of units that we are going to sell each quarter. We are going to sell less in the first quarter due to the customer's lack of awareness concerning our brand. With the advertising planned for the next several months, the sales will increase during the second and the third quarter, especially during the third one. The third quarter shows the highest sales rate prediction, due to the increase in demand during the summer period, seasonal factors. Overall, the cash budget looks very promising as the ending cash balance at each quarter is positive and more than enough to continue the production at least for the first year.
The break-even analysis shows that Schilk has a good financial position. It produces well over the break-even point and its margin of safety is high. Moreover, the operating leverage of 3.2 says that if Schilk increases its sales, this will considerably increase its net operating income. However, to improve its performance even further, it would be beneficial for Schilk to convert some of its variable costs into fixed costs. For example, it can try to make direct labor a fixed cost.
We are considering buying a new machine that will decrease labor costs by 50%. The differential analysis calculations show that it is not profitable buying this machine, because we are going to incur a loss of $7,720.
We considered a situation where we had less sales than predicted and different costs than expected. Some costs changed in an unfavorable way, but in the end the income appeared to be higher than it was supposed to be at the actual level of production. Therefore, even if the company sells less than predicted and has slightly different costs, the income will still be positive.
After considering different expansion strategies, we decided to consider investing in a new project for a period of 5 years, which is going to further increase the potential and quality of our product. We are going to buy a new machine and change the general pattern of our chocolate milk production. For the new projects, we estimated the initial investment we will incur and different data regarding the future profit or loss the project might bring. Therefore, after analyzing the market, we decided to round up the discount percentage of the net present value of the project to 5%. From the above calculations, we conclude that the project would be worth investing, not only because it covers its costs, but also because it yields a profit of $41,564.58 in net present value.